Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Angela and I'm pretty excited about this video today because it's actually my very first ever YouTube video. On this video I decided to do a festive makeup tutorial using one of my favorite collections ever, which is the French TV show from Revolution Beauty. It combines glitter, my first love, and my second love, which is the French TV show, and it's a show I grew up with and I constantly watching. So without any other delays, let's get this party, yeah, it's a glitter party, started. For this tutorial I will be using the big palette and also the Monica and Rachel palettes. Okay, I'm hiding it, great. So I will try to use as many colors from these palettes as possible and create a really festive and fun and happy look that you can make around the holidays. You can try and create just to have fun on your free time while quarantine. You know, we all need a little sparkle in our lives, so why not? Okay, let me start. If I'm able to open this here. Okay, so this guy has many eyeshadows and also 3 beautiful highlighters with all the nice names from the show, and also it has a great huge mirror that it's really helpful when you try to do your makeup. So let me try. I will first start with a blending brush and I'm going to get the shade Paolo, which is a brownish shade. If I'm looking in a different direction, because I have mirror here, and actually here, so I'm sorry for this, for not looking at the camera. Okay. They are actually really pigmented and nice and blendable, which is really great when it comes to an eyeshadow palette. And plus they are really affordable, so many good things in one palette. Well, 3, including Phoebe's 4, but you know, Phoebe's was more for a daily kind of makeup and I wanted to go for festive tonight. So let's blend this bad boy out. Paolo was indeed a bad boy, so we are blending him out really good. Now I will go and grab my Monica palette and I will go with the Geller Cup eyeshadow and try to do more of a depth in my eye. Oh my god, this hair, guys! Oh god! Anyway, it's a really nice burgundy color, and again the blending is just amazing, guys. I'm really excited to find and use palettes and makeup in general from drugstores, that they're so affordable and everyone can get them, and they are such a good quality. I mean, it's really impressive. So we keep blending and blending until we reach the point we like, and we are fine. Let me look my mirror down here because I always like to have multiple mirrors when I do my makeup. I know it might seem weird, but it's really helpful actually to look your makeup and see how it blends and how it looks from different angles with different lighting, because yeah, right now I have my ring light and different lights all around my room, but in general when I do my makeup I don't have so many lights, so it's really nice to see the difference. And of course the best thing you can do is try everything with natural light. Right now we are in the winter and most of the days do not have natural light, but in any case, you know what I mean. So let's move on. I think I will continue with the Monica palette. Yeah, and I will get the pink color and I'm going to put it on my lid, just to smooth everything out and smooth the burgundy colors and the reds. You know, just a really nice color that you can mix everything together, make it smoother and nicer. Okay, now I have literally no idea which glittery color I'm going to choose, because seriously the selection is huge and all the colors, oh my god, they're so pigmented. I will get my concealer. It's actually a Rimmel concealer. It's a really, okay, I don't think it will focus. No, it did. Oh, I'm good. It's the first time I'm doing this and I'm really excited. Okay, so I will get this and also a mirror, and I will put a few dots in each of my eyes so I can create a cut crease. Just a little bit, because it's a really great concealer. We don't want to go over the way, and I'm taking just a flat brush and start blending. It's always good to have a sticky base when you're doing, you know, more glam makeup and putting many eyeshadows on, and especially glittery eyeshadows. I know there are many primer for eyeshadows, but to be honest with you, a liquid concealer like this has worked really well for me over the years. Of course, I'm not a makeup artist, so I'm only telling you this from my personal experience, and this is actually what I like to share, and I like the opportunity that YouTube gives us to feel free and feel creative and share our personal opinions. And if you like it, you can follow it, you can try it, or you can try your own way. Of course, it doesn't matter. We're doing this for fun after all. And glitter, oh my god, we cannot forget glitter. So, anyways, as I told you before, I will go for Mindy and for Richard. Let me try and show you actually without breaking anything. So, this is Mindy and this is Richard. So, they're pretty nice color. And I think will match with the rest of the eyeshadows that I used. So I will use again flat brush. Let's go for the Mindy one. Okay, I will take a lot, to be honest with you, and start. Oh my god, how do they make those so pretty, guys? Oh my god. To be honest with you, I mostly have used the matte ones from this palette, because I have the three little ones, Phoebe, Rachel and Monica, and they're much more handy when I go somewhere, when I used to go somewhere, because now we cannot do, we're in quarantine, so bummer. And I haven't used so much the glitter ones from here. So they're really nice, but yeah, what I have to comment for them is that the more sticky base, the better for them to be nice and pigmented. Okay. I don't know if I'm doing this evenly. I think I am. I hope I am. Oh my god. Actually, guys, to be honest with you, it took me years to finally decide that I need to do YouTube. I want to do this. I mean, you're able to create something from scratch. You are able to be as crazy as you like and as creative as you like, and I think that 2020 it's a year of opportunities and a year for changing. So yeah, I hope I will be able to keep up, and I will try my best, because I really like to have this as a hobby and to be able, you know, just to make videos of myself doing things for fashion, for makeup, for just lifestyle and everyday life, because at the end of the day we're all on the same page, during this time, and we're all doing the same things. So I wanted to make change, and even if 2 people see my tutorial and be happy and smile and see the glitter and feel, you know, more nice and more festive, I will be really glad for this. So anyway, I can keep talking forever, so I will stop now. So I'm done with the Mindy shade, so now let's move on to the Richard one. I'm getting a different brush because it's a different shade and a lighter one, and I don't want to mix them up and create a whole mess. But again, it's a flat brush. So let's go. I'm also bringing this color to the corner of my eye. I don't know if you can see. I'm trying my best with the lighting and the lens I'm using. I hope that everything will be fine. So I will go to my other eye now. Oh my god, they're so nice. I really like them. They're so fun. Okay, I made a small mistake here and here with my soy sauce. I didn't apply it exactly to the cut brush, but that's no problem because I'm going to get a smaller blending brush, and actually we'll go for the Carol shade, which is similar to Paolo, you know, just a matte nude shade, and it's really nice one. I have used it many times, and I will do my crease one more time and also try to combine the 2 shades right here. Okay, we're going to the other eye also. What a huge mistake that I used to do when I was younger and applying makeup was just to pull my eye. And because most of us don't have exact even faces, and our eyes are a little bit different one from the other, when I left the eye, they were like 2 completely different makeup looks. It was really funny, to be honest with you, and it took me a lot of time to find out what I was doing wrong and that I actually need to change this. But you know, after all, I managed to do this successfully. Anyway, I will look at Mindy again in my finger and try and build it a little bit more. It's really nice, but again, as I told you before, it needs a sticky base. Sorry guys, I'm nervous. I didn't actually believe I would be nervous, but yet here I am. Okay, let me also get again Richard. Again. Okay, that's nice. Okay, this is the look. Let me go and put some liner and mascara on, and I will return. Okay, so I'm back. I've done my eyeliner and my mascara, and now let's move on to lips. I will be using a lip pencil from Origins. I don't know what shade it actually is. It's shade 3 Maple Blossom. It's a really nice shade and it's really natural. So let's go. To be honest with you guys, I'm not a big fan of overlining. I just like, you know, to go a little bit up right here, just to give this pouch and this something. And I also really like to bring my liner in because it makes my lipstick stay for more hours, and it's really helpful for everything, you know, to blend nicely and don't have just a liner on your lip. So I will now use this Sephora lipstick. It's one of the lipsticks that when I put them on, I forget that I have them on, and they just stay there forever, no matter if I drink, I eat, or anything. I think it's really nice actually, and a really pretty natural color. Okay, sorry for looking in the camera thingy, in the camera screen. I also have an Avenda gloss that I was planning to use. Yeah, thanks for focusing. But I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to use it, so let's leave it for later. This Big Friends palette actually have 3 beautiful highlighters, which is Ugly Naked Guy, Mr. Hercules and Estelle. Now I will get the darkest shade of all, which is Estelle, with a brush like this, and I'm going to put it right. Oh my god. This is what I'm talking about, you guys. Oh my god. Oh, it's pretty. I hope you can see the glow. I can see it in the camera screen, but I hope you can see it also. Okay. So now that I put this, I'm going to go in with my blush. It's actually a MAC blush, the collaboration with Mariah Carey. I think it was a limited edition, so I'm not sure if you will be able to find it, but it's a beautiful pink blush, and I really love because it's bright and it's healthy when you put it on your face. So yeah, I put on layer of highlighter, then I put my blush on, a little bit on the nose. I always like blush in the nose, but especially in winter, even though that I like it, it's really weird because when I get out, I'm feeling really cold. I don't like cold weather, so my nose gets red really easily, and if I have blush on, I'm like Rudolph. But anyway, it's always nice and healthy to have a little bit of pink in your nose. You can also do this with bronzer. It has the same effect almost. So now that I put my blush on, I will move on with Mr. Hercules, the highlighter from the palette, which is actually the middle shade. It's not really dark nor really bright. And I will go like here. Imagine that you have one layer here, the blush, which starts from here, and then you go higher with the second layer, and you create really nice 3D effect in your face. So, okay. Go. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, you cannot understand how happy highlighter makes me. It's brightening up my day, seriously. So I will go here again, and in the tip of my nose, and on the bridge of my nose. Really nice, right? Let's do also some gloss, because I want to... It's a festive look, so I really want to glow all over the place. So let's do some gloss. Okay. It's a gold shade, so it's the best for the holidays. I really liked to try the glosses and the lipsticks from the collection, but unfortunately I wasn't able to get them because they were already out of stock. So anyway, this is my finished look. I hope everything is visible on the camera. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was my first ever attempt in YouTube, and I would be thrilled if you stick around, hit the subscribe button and the like button, and see you on the next